If your Steam downloads are crawling or you feel like your speed is nowhere near what your internet plan should be delivering, this video is going to help. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to fix Steam download speed using a few simple settings inside Steam and a couple of important Windows tweaks. These steps can make a big difference, especially if Steam is getting stuck on a slow server, fighting a bandwidth limit, or dealing with cache issues in the background. If this guide helps you out, take a second to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open Steam and go to the top left corner. Click Steam, then choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, select Downloads from the sidebar. The first thing I want you to do is clear the download cache. This is one of the most reliable fixes for slow or inconsistent Steam speeds. Click Clear Download Cache and Steam will ask you to confirm. Keep in mind that after this, you'll be logged out, so you'll need to sign back in again. That is completely normal, and in many cases, it helps reset whatever is causing the slowdown. Next, stay in the same downloads menu and check your download region. Steam automatically chooses a region for you, but sometimes the default server is overloaded or just not performing well. Ideally, you want to choose the city closest to your location for the best connection. If you already have the closest region selected and speeds are still bad, try switching to another nearby city or a slightly different major hub. This can help you bypass a congested server and sometimes instantly improve your download performance. Now look for the bandwidth settings. Make sure that limit bandwidth to is not enabled unless you intentionally want to restrict your speed. Also, make sure throttle downloads while streaming is turned off. These options can quietly reduce your download performance even if everything else looks fine. Once that is done, we're going to move over to Windows because sometimes the problem is not Steam itself, but how Windows is handling the process in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If it opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see all the tabs. Then go to the Details tab. Find steam.exe in the list, right-click it, hover over, set priority, and choose High. This tells Windows to give Steam more attention when your CPU is busy decompressing game files during downloads and installs. It won't magically fix every situation, but it can absolutely help on systems where the download is being slowed down by processing overhead. After that, open Windows Settings and go to Network and Internet. Depending on whether you are using Wi-Fi or Ethernet, choose the matching connection type. Now look for metered connection and make sure it is turned off. If Windows thinks your connection is metered, it may try to throttle certain background activity, which can negatively affect Steam downloads. Turning this off is a simple but important step. Next, we're going to refresh your network settings from Command Prompt. Search for Command Prompt in the Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. When the window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can help remove stale or outdated network data that might be slowing down your connection to Steam servers. After that, you can also restart Steam and test your download speed again. In many cases, these changes alone are enough to fix the issue and get your downloads moving much faster. If you still notice problems, make sure no other apps are eating up bandwidth in the background, such as cloud backups, large browser downloads, or streaming services. Closing those can free up your network so Steam can use more of your available speed. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are clearing Steam's download cache, checking your download region, removing bandwidth limits, setting Steam to high priority in Task Manager, disabling metered connection, and flushing your DNS. These are the fastest things to try when Steam download speed is being held back. If this video helped you speed things up, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and comment below if you want more Steam fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.